Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, this is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. There is a lot to get through, and if you are new to the channel, smash the subscribe button down there, all right, and turn on that little bell notification. Now guys, I'm getting straight into this, man, because there is a lot to get through today. Going straight to the community tab. No joke, no mucking around. We have Shibarium will launch in August, which is crazy. And again, I have some bots set up now in the Patreon on Shiba Inu as well, because again, things are going to get pretty wild with that. So again, join the Patreon linked below. Now again, I've just posted up in the community tab, like I do every single day, the ultimate utility crypto list. We have XRP, Xlm, Hedera, Quant, Cardano, Algorand, Iota, Ethereum, Chainlink, XDC, Casper, Nexra, Electronium, Energy Web Token, Constellation DAG, LCX, Corium, Matic, Sologenic, Flare, WorldCoin. I don't like it, but it's part of the list. And Mobi, which is one that I'm very, very interested in. All right. Moving on. Again, I did some insane bots. 12,000 USDT in profits, 708%. Started that one in May, actually, this year. That is 94 days, I believe, at the top of my head, and it's just insane. So that is in the Patreon as well, guys. Ridiculous. Judge Torres right here will seek to schedule a jury trial for the SEC/Ripple case in the second calendar quarter of 2024. Torres has ordered both parties to submit blackout dates for trial by Wednesday, August 23rd. Now, that's obviously in a few weeks. And Johnny Deaton has come out today basically, dispelling any FUD about, the SEC going after Ripple and XRP again. Very, very interesting. Now, again, top altcoins, the full list gets posted up in my Patreon page every single morning when I'm having my coffee. And again, top altcoins, Acro, LCX, TLM, AMP, and Shiba Inu as well. Now, Shiba Inu is doing some pretty crazy things now. Da Vinci also came out the other day and put a video up about this. Again, pretty much buying up a lot of Shiba Inu, and I'm still holding on to mine from the last bull market. I haven't sold it. Actually, before the bull market is when I got into it. Crazy. Anyway, let's go to Coinspot. They are an official partner of the channel. Thank you, Coinspot, as well as OKX. We're going to show you that as well. And again, there are referral links below, guys, for this. Please feel free to use them. You will get $10 in Bitcoin, but with this stuff, do your own research. Now, of course, we've got Bitcoin sitting at $45,000 today, down 0.76%. It's been a long day. Ethereum's at 2,900. You've got XRP at 98 cents. Great dollar cost averaging opportunity. I might have to snap some of that up. Doge is up slightly to 11 cents. ADA, 46 cents. Solana's at $38. Matic's at $1.07. Polkadot, $7.89. Litecoin, $131. And I'm still bullish on Litecoin, guys. Now, Shiba Inu's down slightly today. And who knows where this one's going to go once Shibarium launches, guys. And it's going to be pretty bullish when it does. So I'm keeping a very, very close eye on that. I even might throw some more capital into that. Chainlink's $11. XLM is at 21 cents. You've got Hedera at 9 cents as well. VeChain, 2 cents. Quant, 160. Moving down, we've got XDC at 10 cents. Algo's at 17 cents. Axie's at $9. I'm still staking that on Coinspot, by the way. Moving down, Theta, $1.15. Let's have a look here. CFX is at 28 cents. Gala at 3 cents as well. Iota's at 27 cents. And Pepe, again, down 0.05% today. And yes, that bot is legit. It's just insane. 94 days, making 700%. Mental. Casper at 6 cents as well. Very, very bullish, guys. Now let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below, guys. I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my day trading bots, my all the time trading bots. There's a lot of bot setups in here, and the full videos are in the Patreon as well. And again, it's just putting up bullish news when I get whiff of it, guys. It's awesome. Go straight up in the Patreon. And more importantly, my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month. Less volatile than crypto, that's for sure. It provides cash flow nice and steady. Very, very slow, but it's growing. And I put up all the dollar cost averaging stocks in the Patreon. So guys, join up. Thank you to those 280 members. You guys absolutely rock. 1,013 posts of juicy information. Go check it out. It's linked below. You will not regret it. And I love talking with everyone in there in the direct messages. So much better than Discord, all right? Now, of course, we have... Now, actually, before I get into crypto bubbles, I'm going to show you this, all right? This is my current... One of my accounts on OKX. They are an official partner of the channel, which is incredible. These are my current positions. Comp, Shiba Inu on 25x leverage right now, which is nice. Woo, CFX, Curve, Doge, Basic Attention Token, Matic. I've got Pepe, XRP, Optimism right here, XLM, BSV, Phantom. The full list is in the Patreon, guys, so go check that out. And there's a lot of positions. And again, these trade on day trading 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, taking small profits, mind you, with high leverage. So again, it is risky. I don't recommend trading with high leverage if you're not prepared to lose it. Be careful, all right? Don't go too crazy. I've done it before. I've opened up positions on Bitcoin, believe it or not, like 100x, 125x leverage. You can get liquidated and you will lose your money. Just making that very clear, all right? It has happened many times. Now, I've got some more bots set up. Bitcoin right now as well on 50x, Pepe, and of course Shiba Inu. That is a given. This thing's going to go parabolic. I'm just trading it. There you go. Anyway, Patreon link below. Crypto bubbles. We have Aptos up 9.4% as well. I was trading this, which is good. $7.33. 9% in a day is insane. We have Optimism down 8.3%. I was trading this $1.56. Down 8.3% today. XRP, again, very, very bullish on this at 62 USD right now at 2.7% down on the day, down 8% on the week, 32 up on the month. That is insane. Very, very bullish stuff right now. Now, Shiba Inu, guys, there's a lot happening with Shibarium, down 2.2 on the day. It's up 17.4% on the week, 29% on the month. Keep an eye on this. Again, I'm not going to go through the zeros, but that's just insanity right there. Anyway, guys, some incredible buying opportunities still. Hedera making moves. Obviously, yesterday it's down 6% today. 5 cents USD. Love that very, very much. Now, again, let's get into the juicy stuff. Now, I just came across this, the top QFS quantum financial system altcoins. And I've spoken about the QFS financial system before on my channel, and it's very interesting, this list. But we have all the juicy ones right here. XRP, Matic, XLM, Hedera, Quant, XDC, Algo, Iota, Casper, Flare, Cello, WorldCoin Energy Web Token. I've spoken before, probably 2 years ago on this channel about that. Solargenic, Constellation, DAG is working with the United States Air Force. Nextra, LCX, Electronium is part of the Digital Pound Foundation. We have a Stronghold token, which is interesting. Alliance Block, I was holding that. Obviously, it turned into Nextra. And again, Songbird Corium is one that I need to take a deep dive into. Let me know in the comments if you like that. And Moby as well. Mobius. Sounds like that movie Morbius or whatever, that crazy Jared Leto dude. Anyway, crazy movie. Anyway, QFS system. Quick read through what it is. And cash as we know it will no longer exist. And by the way, thank you, Richard Knight, for this post on Medium. And if you like Medium, guys, go check it out. Some really interesting stuff on there. How we use to define money will also change. There is a new global worldwide initiative underway, obviously to remove, sorry guys, got stuff in my eye, the traditional monetary system and transition to the new global financial system. This is happening. The new quantum financial system is broadly defined as a new global international monetary system that uses blockchain technology and quantum computing to conduct financial transactions. Very, very bullish. And while the definition may seem progressive and relatively announces right here, basically, as you will soon see, it will have significant impact on how you will use and interact with money in the future. It's all crypto, guys. This is happening right now. And again, CBDCs are the digital form of fiat currency. It's all going digital. And I know I've just saw something today that Commonwealth Bank here in Australia is actually going cashless. Nuts. Anyway, I did post this up on Twitter today. This is a massive list of banking partners with Ripple. It is scary as F, and 100% it is. Look at them all. Look at all of these partners. I mean, does it take it, like, you don't have to be a genius to understand where this is going right now, but this is huge, absolutely huge. Some of the biggest banks on the planet. There you go. Banks to banks, guys. Cross-border payments, on-demand liquidity. Now the derivatives market, things are going to get pretty crazy with this. Now, utility coins, I've just shown you all of them as well. They are up in the community tab just for you to have a look at, guys. But anyway, moving on, we've got Ripple is working with the Bank for International Settlements on Payments Task Force, which is interesting right here. Now, the Bank of International Settlements, the BIS, announced that Ripple is an official member of its Cross-Border Payments Interoperability and Extension Task Force. They have a task force on August 9th. And the task force is part of the BIS Committee on Payments and Market Infrastructures right here, composed of 33 entities plus Chair Ulrich Binzel, and Director of General Market Infrastructure and Payments at the European Central Bank. Engagement and partnership between the public and private sector is a key element of the G20 cross-border payments program. Improvements to payment systems and arrangements underlying cross-border payments require global coordination right here and cooperation and the commitment of a wide range of public authorities and private sector stakeholders right now, which is crazy. And the BIS for International Financial Institution is owned by a member of central banks. Its primary goal is to foster international monetary and financial cooperations while serving as a bank for central banks. The banks have a bank. Crazy when you think about it. Now, again, more updates right here, but Ripple Labs and the SEC jury trial is set for spring of 2024 during the bull market. And Ripple Labs and the SEC have until December 4th, 2023 right here to submit, sorry guys, get rid of this pop-up right here, all the pre-trial filings, document exhibits, and motions to exclude evidence from the jury. And again, this is the timeline issued by Judge Torres, which is very, very bullish. Now, of course, we've got a lot of FUD out there as well, but the lead lawyer slams the SEC appeal request right here, reveals an important date. And moving down, we have some updates in relation to this. The SEC does not have the right to appeal just yet, which is why they are asking permission to file an interlocutory appeal. Ripple will file its response with the court next week. Stay tuned. Stuart Alderodi. And Alderodi essentially claims that the commission lacks legal standing in a filing appeal right here, hence the interlocutory appeal request, while also revealing when Ripple plans to take action against it. And they will, and they've got the capital and the backing to do it. Now, moving on, I'm not going to get into all these other articles, it's just too much, but Gemini has listed XRP, which is very, very bullish as well. And I do apologize. This news article has taken its time, sweet-ass time. One of the latest developments that caught the attention of the crypto community concerns Gemini right here, the renowned crypto exchange founded by the Winklevoss twins, obviously in 2015, which appears to be hinting at a significant move regarding the listing of Ripple and XRP. They're two different things, guys. This comes in the wake of a crucial legal ruling and the resurgence of interest in the digital asset. And again, very, very interesting. And Gemini will soon list this, which is going to be crazy. Just more exchanges getting back onto XRP. It's about time. Institutional giants prepare for Bitcoin ETF battle after the regulatory nod. Eric, I'm not going to pronounce his last name right here, a senior ETF analyst at Bloomberg, recently took to Twitter to share promising indications about the future approval of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. According to Eric right here, insights from BlackRock and Invesco suggest that Bitcoin ETF will be approved within 4 to 6 months. There is Mr. Eric Balkunis right here. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing his name wrong. And according to the snippet of the call, Novogratz emphasized the significance of the ETF filing. He highlighted the potential for intense competition among the industry players. They're all going to be battling it out. Meanwhile, we get an opportunity to dollar cost average into these things. That's what I'm doing. Anyway, very interesting one here as well in regards to the BlackRock ETF application. And will be the first one to be approved. And BlackRock and multiple other fund managers filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF back in June. And again, it is coming. It is coming, guys. I mean, we're not that far away when you think about it. 6 months is not long. And this is another interesting article as well. All of these percentages of likelihood to be approved are increasing, and an expert says Bitcoin spot ETF is close to 100% likelihood of approval. And this is crazy. And obviously you can see here, Nate Garassi right here, president of the ETF Store, an independent investment advisory firm specializing in ETFs, shared his prediction for the future of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States. Basically, they're set to approve them 100%. It has gone from like 20, 30, 50, 70 the other day. Now it's to 100. And they will have to eventually approve it because it is going to be the future. Now, this is an interesting one. Will MicroStrategy stop buying Bitcoin? And now owns 0.75% of Bitcoins in circulation and has shown no intention of slowing down its purchases. The company's Bitcoin buy and hold strategy isn't exactly risk-free. One analyst, though, another industry watcher, said that the company is likely to only stop and perhaps sell if absolutely necessary. They currently hold $4.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, which is just insane. No end in sight. That is a lot. Hedera will become the top 10 cryptocurrency. And Hedera will be a top 10 crypto, according to the Classy Crypto YouTube channel's hosts. Nice. The influencer made a video discussing how HBAR ecosystem is getting better and making crypto do well. According to the renowned crypto influencer, HBAR would be one of the highest beneficiaries of an upcoming bull run. He noted that the proposed Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange-traded funds will attract institutional investors into the crypto industry. What do you think about that? I'm very bullish on Hedera. Crazy. And obviously you've got billionaire David Rubenstein says Bitcoin is here to stay. Enormous interest spreads around the world. And basically says that the Bitcoin isn't going anywhere now due to a wave of massive interest in the king of spread around the globe right now. In an interview with Bloomberg, the legendary investor and co-founder of financial services titan Carlyle Group says the interest in Bitcoin and other prominent crypto assets is ramping up worldwide as consumers increasingly covet private transactions. And I was thinking about this the other day. When your auntie and uncle and cousins and friends start talking about crypto, or a cab driver, an Uber driver starts talking about crypto, it's too late. Think about that. Binance Labs reveals a very interesting news update right here. A new crypto project it invested in. Binance Labs, the venture capital and incubation arm of crypto exchange Binance, announced that its strategic investment in Altlayer, a decentralized roll-ups as a service, RAS, provider for Web3 applications. The size of the investment was not disclosed to the public. Keep an eye on that. Altlayer. Interesting. I'm going to check that out and do a deep dive and put it up in the Patreon. Link below. Shiba Inu right here with the launch of the upcoming Shibarium, which is in August. Is the price ready to break out? And the retest also helps Shiba Inu coin price sustain above the 23.6 Fibonacci level, increasing the uptrend possibility. And the meme coin closes above the 23.6 Fibonacci level on the weekly chart. The dog-themed crypto is expected to start a bull run to reach the 50% Fibonacci level for those traders out there. Very, very interesting, guys. And I think it's going to get pretty wild with Shiba Inu once this gets obviously launched. Now, let's go to Cryptometer.io and see where the money has been flowing in the last 24 hours, I should say the last day. This website has a freaking mind of its own. We've got XRP there. Nice. We've got Monero, Aptos, DYDX, Cardano right here. Let's have a look. We have Bitcoin as well and Pepe. There you go. I do have some bots set up on Pepe. Let's go to Twitter, guys. Getting through this because there's a lot to talk about, obviously. Now, again, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me there. Yes, I'm giving this bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subscribers. Obviously, Bitcoin ETFs could inject $15 trillion into the crypto market. Yes. Shibarium developer Satoshi Kusama has confirmed that Shibarium, SHIB blockchain, will launch in August this month. It is August. Crazy. Moving on, and I like this one, Julian. Thank you for this tweet, but I should have started to DCA into Bitcoin 5 years ago. Everybody in 2028. That is facts. Big Bitcoin news is coming from PayPal. PayPal to offer interest rewards for Bitcoin and crypto deposits. I would not stake my crypto with PayPal. I really don't like them. And sorry to say, but I run an e-com business. That's what happens. Anyway, San Francisco's SoFi Bank is now holding $82 million worth of Bitcoin. In my opinion, this is the ultimate crypto list for utility. It is. Go look it up. And also, has anyone actually used a crypto debit card to make everyday payments using USDT? I'm curious. And Johnny Deaton right here, have a listen.
Kill all the nonsense out there where everybody is acting like the Torres decision somehow has been minimized, okay, or trivialized because of the Rakoff decision. And the great thing to me, the great irony is that some of these people, right? We know people like Joe Lubin and others, they supported this case against Ripple and they supported the case against XRP. Those people called XRP a security. They tweeted it out. They celebrated it. They were like XRP holders. They laughed at us. They said we're going to lose. And be careful what you celebrate, support, and ask for, because according to her decision, all those people that bought ETH or bought other tokens, who are venture capitalists, who are purchasing those tokens at that token factory, for example, all of those under the law constitute illegal securities according to the Torres ruling. So be careful what you ask for. And what ended up happening is good guys won, bad guys zero. Next. The reason.
There you go. Absolute facts. You've got Bitcoin bull market confirmed. Coinbase becomes to launch its own decentralized blockchain, which is crazy. Xlm Crypto right here. This was when Bitcoin was at 7 cents. If you don't believe it or don't get it, I don't have the time to try and convince you. Sorry. Crazy stuff right here. There is Bruce Fenton right here outside Gary Gensler's office and basically calling for his resignation, and that is bullish as anything. Post Malone, big fan of you, mate. Yes, that is my bots in the Patreon. 12,000 USDTs, nuts. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at neutral right now at 53. Very, very nice, guys. Let's go to Coin Market Cap. And then, yes, it's been a long video. And 1.1 trillion, $32 billion in volume, 48% Bitcoin, 18% ETH. Love to see that get flipped by XRP. The ultimate list, of course, is my banking list, but I'm not going to get into that in a second. Let's go back down here, guys. Yes, the portfolio right here. Top gainers. It goes up in the Patreon as well every single morning. So go subscribe down below. And, of course, we have the banking coin list. This is the ultimate list, in my opinion, and I'm going to be adding a few more onto this as well after reading that QFS list as well. So I'm keeping an eye on those. But anyway, that is it, guys. Thank you very much. Join the Patreon. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Have a good night, a good evening, good afternoon, and a good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. I'll speak to you all then. Peace out. Bye.